Hello, this is Brian Houle. I'm a solutions consultant with Beyond 20, and today I want to take a look at the Outlook plugin for Cherwell Service Management. This is an Outlook plugin that comes with Cherwell Service Management. It lives in the Start menu in the Programs file folder of Cherwell in the Tools folder. So what you can do is actually install it or uninstall it right from that Start menu item. I'm not going to go through that. Here we have it already installed, and you can see up in the corner here I've got my little Cherwell icon on the ribbon. I can rescan items, and I can see that I'm connected to my Cherwell database. So I can click the connected icon and see that what I'm connected to and who I'm logged in as, and I can click the configure button, and this will tell me a couple of things. Whee! I can click the configure button, and this will tell me that I've enabled the integration, that I'm connected to a Cherwell system. And I can just connect to any old Cherwell database that I like via a connection, a regular Cherwell connection. And right now I'm logging in as a particular user. You can also use Windows authentication if you're set up for that. Nothing terribly complicated there. With the Outlook configuration, this can be handled in the orange pill, and that allows you to push down certain defaults to clients. And so I'm just using the default configuration. And these checkboxes sort of define behavior for the plugin. So I can auto-link incoming emails. That means I can auto-link them to records in Cherwell. And I can auto-link outgoing replies and forwards. That's very handy. Finally, I can monitor a particular folder for Cherwell emails. So all I have to do is drop them in or use a rule to put them in there for that to happen. So we know how to set it up, but what does it do? Well, the Cherwell plugin is designed to help with those situations where one of your service desk techs is getting emails directly about a service ticket. And so what often happens in that case is that the ticket goes into his email box. It doesn't get logged in the system as belonging to a particular incident or service request. And that's what this lets you do. So when we have the plugin active, you see we've got this little pane here that we can scroll up and down. And what it does is it'll match the sender of the current email, this handsome devil here, and it'll match that to the customer internal table. And I can have several business objects. So I can look at incident, problem, or change request. Here I've got a single problem that I am associated with. If I go to incident, what it'll do is it'll scan the database and show me open incidents. I can take here to just show only open incidents if I wanted to. And if I have closed incidents, it won't display them. So I can do a couple of things. So if I've got this email, I can say, well, maybe it's this incident. Let me look in here. I can actually quick view it. So if I click that, what it'll do is it'll pop up a quick view window from Cherwell of that ticket. And there it is. So I can see, well, does this email to apply? And if it does apply, well, you know what I can do? I can go ahead and link this email to this record. And I can click yes. So I'm manually linking to that record. And there it is. So now this email is associated with ticket 10004. Awesome. So what else can I do? Well, since this email is already linked, you'll notice my actions have gone away. But I can come in here and I can close the request that it's linked to. I can create a problem from this incident. So I can do a lot of things right here, right from my Outlook. Oh, look, I have another email. So let's look at it. It's from this same handsome devil. And this one has an attachment on it. So cool. So what I can do here is, and you can see that it's already picked up my name for my email. I have an attachment this time, and but this time I'm going to decide that this email does not belong to an existing incident. I can create a new incident from this email by clicking the new incident button. And so what will happen is it'll throw up a new incident. Let me get rid of that little customization there. That is not out of the box. And so we'll see a couple things. So what it's done is it's created the all the information from the email. So it takes the body and my email address and a timestamp. Very cool. And all I have to do is go ahead and save that quick view, and it should pull in my attachment as well as my message. So there it is. So now I can go back and look, and it's associated with a new ticket. And you'll notice here now that I go back and look at it, there's my comments GIF, my attachment from my email. So it's a real easy way to get stuff into the system that might otherwise end up in somebody's email folder, and it keeps all of your customer communication in Cherwell. It's really easy to use. I think it's a really slick add-on, and it comes with Cherwell Service Management when you install it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Cherwell videos. Thank you.